Hello friends, I am Anupriya and welcome to your English class. इस सेशन में आज हम कुछ ऐसे इंग्लिश वर्ड सीखेंगे जो कि साउंड में सिमिलर है बट उनका स्पेलिंग एंड मीनिंग डिफरेंट है. So let's begin from the first one. That is quite and quite. Similar in their sound, but mention on the spelling. First word की spelling है Q-U-I-E-T. That quite means keep quiet, means चुप रहो. I'm ordering you to keep quiet. Alright, it means maintaining a silence. And next quite, Q-U-I-T-E means something which is not enough. That may be less, that may be more. Means कुछ ऐसा जो कि sufficient नहीं है. For example, I looked at her. Her dress was quite good. मैंने उसे देखा, उसकी dress काफी अच्छी थी. But how much? You're not sure. So this one is this quite. Now coming to the next one, wonder and wonder. Again, very much similar in their pronunciations. But first one is W-A-N-D-E-R. That means moving here and there physically. I was wandering in the garden just to have a fresh breeze. मैं garden में इधर उधर टहल रहा था ऐसे ही without any reason. And next wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R. That means that you have desire to know something. Like, I was wondering why she didn't come in my birthday party. मैं सच में सोच रही थी कि वो मेरी birthday party में क्यों नहीं आई. So that is having a curiosity or desire to know something. And this is the same wonder that we say looks wonderful. Coming to the third one. That is dew and dew. Again, very much similar in their sounds. D-E-W, dew means drop of the moisture. When I woke up in the morning, I found some dew on the grass. That is this dew. Yeah, there is a difference in drop and dew. We can count the drops. There are few drops on your face of the water. Alright, but dew, that is numerous. That is uncountable. We cannot count the dew. Next one is D-U-E, means something is left. कुछ बचा होना. Like, your coming to my home is due. आपका मेरे घर पे आना भी बाकी है. Like we say Hindi. So this one is this due. Something is left to be done. Something is incomplete, which we need to complete in future. Alright, coming to the fourth one, that is compliment and compliment. Very common and very useful word that you hear. C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T means praising someone. She has complimented me for my look. Alright, she has praised me like I was looking beautiful. And when we come to the compliments, C-O-M-P, only difference I-N-E-M-P-N-T. This compliments means something makes complete to another thing. Suppose I have put on a lovely dress today, but I bought a new pair of shoes. मैंने उस dress से matching एक shoes लेकर आई, and I put on that also. So it means the pair of shoes is complementing your dress. Or suppose in my room I have made an interior and I decorated my room with a new curtain. So I said this curtain is complementing this room. So it means that one. Now the next one is plain and plain. P-L-A-I-N, that plain is a flat surface where there is nothing on the floor. And when we come to the P-L-A-N-E plane, that is aircraft, that we say aeroplane. Alright? So, coming to the sixth one. Tail, tail. Similar in their sounds. T-A-I-L, the part of a body of any animal. Alright? And T-A-L-E means a short story or any story that we speak or listen. I have heard a lovely fairy tale yesterday. So this one is this tale. Coming to the next one. Apart and apart. Taking this one. Apart. Apart means separate kar dena, alag kar dena. When we say apart, you made us apart and I was actually sad, alright? Or we can never be happy keeping us apart. आप हमें अलग करके कभी खुश नहीं रह सकते. So that is keeping separate. A part where there is a gap in a and part means something which is a part of another thing. She is a part of my family. All my students are part of my heart. So this is a part. Now, coming to the next one, allowed and allowed. ALLOWED. That allowed means giving a permission or receiving a permission. किसी को किसी चीज के लिए कुछ permit करना, alright? That is known as allowed. I have been allowed to go in the party. मुझे पार्टी में जाने के लिए allow कर दिया गया है from my parents. So this one is I got a permission to attend my friend's birthday party. And this allowed, ALOUD, means a high volume. I hope that I am quite allowed. Alright? I hope that I am that much allowed that you can hear me clearly. So this one is this allowed. Birth and birth. BIRTH means when someone is born. She gave birth a baby girl yesterday. That is that birth. When someone is born. And this birth, BERTH, means a place where we sleep or a place that we call bed also, where we sleep. A very common word because in railway we reserve berths. Alright, I have reserved 2 berths in particular train for the journey. Coming to the last one, break and break. This break, BREAK, means don't break my heart. Means making something into pieces. किसी चीज को pieces में कर देना, that is break. Alright, and BRAKE means same brake that you apply in your car while driving or while riding a bike. So that is BRAKE means to stop something, किसी चीज को रोक देना. So this was break and break. So that was all from my side in this session. Next is your turn to practice it. Bye.